Dear students, in the previous sessions we discussed some of the shortcut formulae regarding definite integrals. In this session, I am going to discuss the important formulae regarding definite integrals which are useful in MSET and JEE mains. Greatest integer function y equal to box x indicates the integral part of s, which is the nearest and smaller integer to x. It is also known as floor of x. N less than or equal to x less than n plus 1, then box x equal to n. So if 0 less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, so box x equal to from 0 to 0.9, box x value is 0. Next, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, box x equal to from 1 to 1.9, only take integral part that is equal to box x equal to 1. So here from x equal to here minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0, so box x equal to here from 0 to minus 0.9 to 0, box x equal to minus 1. So here minus 2 less than or equal to x less than minus 1, so box x equal to minus 2, and 2 less than, here that is a 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, box x equal to from 2 to 2.9, box x value is 2. From here 3 less than or equal to x less than 4, here box x equal to 3. Next, least integer function y indicates the integral part of x, which is the nearest and greatest integer to x. It is also known as the ceiling of x. So here n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. So here that is the least integer function is n plus 1. Next, fractional part function y is equals to, here four brackets of x indicates the fractional part of x. So x equal to I plus integral part plus fractional part. So x equal to integral part of x, this is integral part of x, and this is the fractional part of x. So here that is the fractional part of x equal to here x minus box x. So fractional part of x here that is x minus here box x. Next, signum function y equal to SGN of x, that is equal to mod x by x or x by mod x, x not equal to 0. SGN of x equal to 1 if x greater than 0, SGN of x equal to minus 1 if x less than 0, equal to 0 if x equal to 0. So integral a to b SGN of x minus box x dx is equals to integral a to b SGN of x minus box x equal to x minus mod x by x. So here modulus of x minus box x by x minus box x dx. So that is equals to integral a to b. Here x minus box x is positive, remove the modulus with the positive sign. So here that is x minus box x, here by x minus box x get cancelled, x minus box x by x minus box x get cancelled. Here that is equals to integral a to b dx, that is equals to x limits a to b, substitute upper limit in place of x minus substitute lower limit in place of x. So therefore integral a to b SGN of x minus box x equal to here b minus a. So next, integral minus 2 to 10 SGN of x minus box x dx. So by the above formula, here b minus a, b equal to 10 minus a minus of minus 2, that is equal to 12. So therefore integral minus 2 to 10 SGN of x minus box x equal to 12. Next, integral minus 2 to 1 SGN of x dx. Now this is equals to integral minus 2 to 0 Sgn of x dx plus integral 0 to 1 Sgn of x dx, Sgn of x dx. Now here integral minus 2 to 0 Sgn of x equal to here mod x by x dx plus integral 0 to 1 here mod x by x dx. Now this is equals to integral minus 2 to 0. Here in the interval minus 2 to 0 mod x equal to minus x. So minus x by x dx plus integral 0 to 1. In the interval 0 to 1 mod x is positive. Remove the modulus with a positive sign. So here x by x dx. So here that is this x and x get cancelled. So here integral minus 2 to 0 minus dx plus integral 0 to 1 dx. So therefore that is equals to minus x, limits minus 2 to 0 plus x, limits 0 to 1. So here minus of 0 minus 2 plus 1 minus 0. So here that is equals to here minus of 0 minus of minus 2. So here that is equals to minus 2 plus 1, that is equals to minus 1. So finally integral minus 2 to 1 Sgn of x dx equal to minus 1. Next problem, integral 0 to n box x dx equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. So first take left hand side LHS that is equals to integral 0 to n box x integral 0 to n box x dx. Now this is equals to integral 0 to 1 box x dx plus integral 1 to 2 box x dx plus integral 2 to 3 box x dx plus integral 3 to 4 box x dx plus and so on plus integral n minus 1 to n box x dx. Now so in the interval 0 to 1 box x value is 0, so integral 0 to 1 0 dx, so that is 0. Integral 1 to 2 box x is 1, so 1 to 2 1 dx plus integral 2 to 3 2 dx plus integral 3 to 4 3 dx plus and so on plus here integral n minus 1 to n, here that is n minus 1 dx. Now this is equals to integral dx equal to x, limits 1 to 2 plus 2 into x, limits 2 to 3 plus 3 into x limits 3 to 4 plus and so on plus n minus 1 into x, limits n minus 1 to n. Now substitute upper limit in place of x 2 minus 1 minus substitute lower limit in place of x 2 into here 3 minus 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 3 plus and so on plus n minus 1 into n minus of n minus 1. Now here that is equals to 2 minus 1 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 1 3 plus and so on n minus 1 into 1. Now this is equals to n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now this is equals to here n into n minus 1 by 2. So that is equals to RHS. Since 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Next problem, integral 0 to n fractional part of x dx. Now take LHS that is equals to integral 0 to n fractional part of x dx. Now this can be written as integral 0 to n. So here x minus box x dx. Now this is equals to integral 0 to n x dx minus integral 0 to n box x dx. Now here that is integral 0 to n, here x dx. We know that integral x dx equal to x square by 2 limits 0 to n minus integral 0 to n box x dx. Since integral 0 to n box x dx equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. So here n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So here substitute upper limit in place of x, that is n square by 2, minus substitute lower limit in place of x, minus n into n minus 1 by 2. So here that is equals to n by 2 into here n, here minus n plus 1. So here minus 1 and plus n get cancelled, that is equals to n by 2. Therefore integral 0 to n, so fractional part of x dx equal to n by 2. Next problem, integral 0 to n box x dx by integral 0 to n fractional part of x dx. So take LHS, that is equals to integral 0 to n box x dx divided by integral 0 to n fractional part of x dx. We know that integral 0 to n box x dx equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, and integral 0 to n fractional part of x dx equal to n by 2. So that is equals to n minus 1. Since integral 0 to n box x dx equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, and integral 0 to n fractional part of x dx equal to n by 2. Fractional part of x dx equal to n by 2. So finally integral 0 to n box x dx, integral 0 to n box x dx divided by integral 0 to n here fractional part of x dx equal to n minus 1. Next formula, integral 0 to infinity box of n into e power minus x dx equal to log of n power n by n factorial. So in this formula, put n is equals to, here put n equal to 2. So we get integral 0 to infinity, here box of 2 into e power minus x dx, equal to here log of n power n by n factorial. So here n is 2, so log of 2 square by 2 factorial. So that is equals to log of 4 by 2, so that is equals to log 2. So therefore integral 0 to infinity box of 2 into e power minus x dx equal to log 2. So next integral 0 to box x, here integral 0 to box x minus box x dx equal to box x by 2. So take LHS, that is equals to integral 0 to box x, integral 0 to box x, here x minus box x dx. Now this is equals to, here since x minus box x is a periodic function of x minus box x is a periodic function of period 1 periodic function of period 1. Now this can be written as here box x into integral 0 to 1 x minus box x dx. Since integral 0 to nt f of x dx equal to n into integral 0 to t f of x dx. If f of x is a periodic function of f of x is a periodic function of period t, periodic function of period t. So here box x into integral 0 to 1 x minus box x dx. Now this is equals to box x into integral 0 to 1 x, in the interval 0 to 1 box x is 0, so minus 0 dx. Now this is equals to box x into integral 0 to 1 x dx. Now this is equals to box x into x square by 2 limits 0 to 1. Now that is equals to x box x into here 1 by 2. So that is equals to box x by 2. So therefore integral 0 to box x integral 0 to box x x minus box x dx equal to here box x by 2. Next problem, integral 0 to box x a power x minus box x dx equal to here box x into a minus 1 by log a. So take LHS that is equals to integral 0 to box x a to the power x minus box x a to the power x minus box x dx. Since x minus box x here x minus box x is a periodic function of period 1 now here this is equals to box x into integral 0 to 1 a power x minus box x dx since integral 0 to nt f of x dx equal to n into integral 0 to t f of x dx. If f of x is a periodic function of periodicity. Now here that is equals to box x into integral 0 to 1 a to the power x minus 0 in the interval 0 to 1 box x equal to 0, so a power x dx. So therefore box x into integral a power x dx equal to a power x by log a limits 0 to 1. So therefore that is equals to box x into here a power 1 by log a minus a power 0 that is equals to 1 by log a. Now this is equals to box x into a minus 1 by log a. Therefore integral 0 to box x a to the power x minus box x dx equal to box x into here a minus 1 by log a.